So let's break the answer for question number 50. So choose valid correct options from schedule and category customization in SAP ECC or S4 HANA. Let's try to read through the options. A, auto purchase requisition, because we have an option in schedule and category to control auto purchase requisition. Relevant for billing, it is the control which is belongs to item category. So B is wrong. As of now, A is correct. See, transfer of requirements, you can able to control it. This is also one of the parameter. Movement type control, you can able to do it. And weight volume relevant, again, it is relevant for item category. And all of the above, and only wrong answer. So let's try to read out. A is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. A, C, D are the correct answer for this question. Okay. So thanks for joining the session. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. And currently I'm holding 800 plus videos, and I'm holding 5,974 students. All these are the different courses at my end. And this is for sales and distribution, 112 hours and 40 minute lectures. I specifically recommend these two courses for all functional consultants. Direct training for with business, getting master to write functional specification. These two will be, trend setting courses in your career if you subscribe and if you do it, and it will be helpful for your real-time career and as well as your interviews. And this is one of my top course for pricing. If you really want it, you can able to give it a try like that, around S4 HANA including altogether. 20 plus courses available. I'm just providing these links below of this video in the description box. If you really want, you can give it a try and you can comment this answer. This is a revealed answer. There is nothing to comment. Let's wait for next question. Thanks so much. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day. Jai Bharat. Love your country.